Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ICE mortgage technology tools for investor underwriting checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate ICE mortgage technology tools for investor underwriting checks, start by logging into your ICE mortgage technology account. Navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find various tools and functionalities. Locate the settings option in the menu. Click on settings to access the configuration options available for your account. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Integrations. Select Integrations to view available tools and services. Look for the Investor Underwriting Checks tool within the Integrations list. Once you've located the tool, click on it to access the activation options. You will see a button labeled Activate or Enable. Click on the Activate or Enable button to start the activation process. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice to continue with the activation. You may be required to enter additional credentials or permissions for your account. Provide any necessary information and click Submit to proceed. Once the activation process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming successful activation. Return to the main dashboard to locate the newly activated Investor Underwriting Checks tool. Familiarize yourself with the tool's interface and features. Set up any necessary preferences or configurations based on your specific needs. Now you are ready to utilize the Investor Underwriting Checks tool for effective investor assessments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.